Namaste, I'm Archana. A warm welcome to this quick pranayama practice that you can do sitting at your desk at your workplace. These 4 pranayama practices can calm your mind, reduce stress, and enhance your focus and clarity instantly. The first practice is useful when you feel scattered and pulled in multiple directions. This helps you feel centered. So, we're doing a combination of diaphragmatic breathing along with equal breath. We're going to come to sit in a comfortable position. Just remember one thing, that your back is straight. Bring your hands to rest on your abdomen. You're going to inhale for 2 counts. It could be 3 or 4. You're going to keep the inhalation and exhalation equal. Place your hands on your abdomen. Inhale through your nose for 2, pushing your belly into your palms. Exhale for 2, pulling your navel back towards your spine. Place your hands on your abdomen, close your eyes, relax your shoulders. Now as you inhale, push your belly into your palm. As you exhale, pull your navel back towards your spine. Remember to keep your shoulders relaxed, face relaxed. Now we'll add counts to this. Inhale, 1, 2, belly into your palm. Exhale, 2, 1, navel towards your spine. Let's do 5 rounds together. Inhale, 1, 2. Exhale, 2, 1. Now count in your mind. I'll just say inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, 2 more rounds on your own. The next practice is box breathing, and this can be done before a meeting or presentation. Here we're going to breathe in through both our nostrils, hold the breath in, then exhale, and then pause. Just remember one thing is that if you're breathing in for 2 counts, then you're holding the breath, exhale, and pausing also for 2 counts. You can begin with 2 counts and then slowly you can do 4, 6, 8. It's completely up to you based on how comfortable you are. So sit with your back straight, hands come to rest on your thighs or knees. Close your eyes. Inhale through both your nostrils. 1, 2. Hold. 1, 2. Exhale. 2, 1. Pause. 1, 2. Let's do 3 rounds together. Inhale, 1, 2. Hold, 1, 2. Exhale, 2, 1. Pause, 1, 2. Now I want you to count in your mind. Inhale, hold, exhale, pause. We'll do 2 more rounds together. Inhale, hold, exhale, pause. Last round. Inhale, hold, exhale, pause. Next practice is great for calming racing thoughts. Ujjayi Pranayama is very subtle and grounding. Here also we're going to breathe in through both our nostrils and breathe out through both. The only difference is we're going to be constricting our throat when we do this practice. So we're going to create this soft snoring like sound, or the sound of the waves in the ocean. And this happens when we constrict our throat. I'll just show you quickly how you can create the sound. Inhale through both your nostrils and exhale through your mouth, keeping your mouth wide as you're trying to fog a mirror. Inhale. Okay. The next time we do this, we are going to close our mouth in between when we are exhaling. Inhale. It's like you're swallowing that breath. You're constricting your throat here. So let's try that. Hands come to rest on our knees or thighs. Close your eyes. We just try that together. Let's try to constrict as you're inhaling. Exhale. Try and keep your exhalations a little longer. In the other two practices, the inhalation and exhalation was equal. Here, we're going to exhale for a little longer. Initially, you may feel a little irritation in your throat, but with practice, you'll get better. And if you're having that irritation or uncomfortable sensation in your throat, then you're doing the practice right. Inhale, both your nostrils, constricting your throat. Exhale through both. For the first round, let's do it with counts. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now I want you to count in your mind. I'm just going to say inhale and exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last round. Inhale. Exhale. The next practice is Nadishudi Pranayama, which helps improve focus and balances the right and left side of the brain. In this practice, we generally open and close our nostril with our thumb and our ring finger. But today, we're just going to rest our hands on our thighs, close the eyes, just shifting our awareness to our right nostril and left nostril. Begin by inhaling through both the nostrils. Exhaling through both, shifting our awareness to our left nostril. Now breathe in through your left, out through your right, in through your right, and out through your left. To begin, this may not be perfect. Here again, try and keep your exhalations longer. So I'm going to be giving you counts for the next round. Sit tall, back is straight, eyes are closed. Inhale, left, 3, 4. Exhale, right, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, right, 3, 4. Exhale, left, 4, 3, 2, 1. Once again, inhale, left, 3, 4. Exhale, right, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, right, 3, 4. Exhale, left, 4, 3, 2, 1. We'll do one more round together. Count in your mind. I'm just going to say inhale and exhale. Inhale, left. Exhale, right. Inhale, right. Exhale, left. Whenever you feel ready, open your eyes with a few blinks. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick pranayama session. I hope it was helpful. You can do all 4 practices together, or you can pick and choose what you need for that particular moment. You can always come back to this class anytime your workday feels a little too heavy or a little too much. If you have any questions or queries, you can always write to me in the comments below. If you're new here, remember to subscribe to my channel. If you thought this class was valuable, please like and share. Namaste.